I'm Anita Perez, a UX designer and WordPress developer at Stellar Web Boutique. I've been writing SEO content and building WordPress sites for 6 years. My husband Laudo is a senior software engineer and cybersecurity champion. Together, we wrote a free guide called Demystifying SEO, AEO, and GEO, a small business guide to search, answer, and generative engine optimization. It's completely free. The link is in the description below. Locally, we serve small business owners, ministries, and nonprofits. And online, I help leaders like you get found in AI search, show up in SEO, and build WordPress sites that thrive in today's market. Okay, let's get into it. Welcome to the Stellar Web Boutique Introduction to WordPress. In today's lesson, we'll dive into the basics, helping you gain the fundamental understanding that you'll need to achieve with WordPress, even if you're a complete beginner. And today's learning outcomes for this session are to define WordPress, what could be achieved using WordPress. We'll explore examples of WordPress sites. We'll clarify what does open source mean, and briefly discuss the importance of themes and plugins at the core of WordPress. We'll show you how these will empower you to create your own website. Right now, 43% of the entire internet is powered by WordPress, while only 4% and about roughly 2 to 3% of the internet, so a collective 7% between Squarespace and Wix. So it's a very small fraction of the internet is powered by those website builders, while 43% of the internet is built by WordPress. This includes entities like NASA, the Walt Disney Company, Facebook Newsroom, and many, many more large companies that I will list here. But before that, let me tell you that WordPress is a CMS, which stands for Content Management System. In simple terms, it means that it's a free tool or a platform that you can create, edit, and manage your own website or blog without needing to learn code. So whether you're a small business owner, a passionate blogger, or an aspiring entrepreneur, WordPress provides the perfect platform in order for you to showcase your ideas, build out your portfolio, showcase your products and services to the world. As I mentioned, it powers 43% of all websites in the world. And therefore, you can be rest assured that it's extremely reliable, secure, and sustainable. So as I mentioned earlier, WordPress is open source, and that means it is a free software that anybody can download and you can use it. And it also means that anyone can contribute to the code or in other areas of WordPress to help improve it. Even you can get involved. Now, there are two more important elements that you'll need to remember before you start building your own WordPress site. And that is themes and plugins. You will need a theme to determine the look and feel of your website. And there are thousands of free and premium themes. At Stellar Web Boutique, we use our proprietary theme, but we've also worked with elegant themes, Genesis themes, and Divi themes. And those are our most recommended themes, and they're very affordable. But you can choose from a lot of others. Secondly, is that WordPress allows you to install plugins to add extra functionality to your website. Plugins can, for example, be added if you want to sell products, such as with WooCommerce, or on your site in order to improve security or speed. You can also add forms, and you should also note that themes and plugins featured here are just examples. So to summarize, WordPress is a free tool you can use to build a website without knowing any code. WordPress is used by individuals such as bloggers, small business owners, and so on, as well as large companies. Even government agencies will utilize WordPress. WordPress is truly for everyone. But now you might be asking, what happens after I download WordPress? Well, this is a great question, exactly what we'll be talking about in our next coming videos, because there are things that you do need, such as a domain, a place to host your site. And for hosting, I highly recommend Hostinger, or our company actually does use WPMU Dev and SiteGround. These are all platforms that we have experience using. We have experience with a lot more platforms. However, the one that I recommend for most people, because of the ease of use, reliability, and affordability, and just the general best recommendation, is got to be Hostinger.com. So if you would like to start your own WordPress site, I highly recommend start with Hostinger. It's a easy way to just download WordPress with like a single click. It's so easy. They make it so incredibly simple. You can also get your domain through Hostinger, and that is a great place to start. If you have any questions, please hit us up and leave us comments below. We have a whole series coming out on how to use WordPress and the best plugins, the best themes, customization, how to set up your business for AI search. And I will leave you with one of our videos recommended right here, and I'll see you there.